Hi, I'm Ash Evans, international TV reporter, media trainer and communications consultant. I train people such as yourself how to be interviewed on camera, how to present to an audience, and how to put your best foot forward. Women and young entrepreneurs are eager to compete with big businesses, but what does it take to have your voice heard and ensure success when you enter the market? First impressions count, but lasting impressions count more. What is the secret of business success and personal brand development in the modern age? It's not PR. Aside from solid financials in a business, nothing else is as instrumental as internal and external communications to the future of a business. The reality is that the way individuals communicate with their stakeholders and potential clients either builds or destroys trust and reputation, which in turn is directly linked to the value and success of the brand. All types of value come from communications, from how you perform in the face of a crisis, which can either create or destroy your business, to value for your consumers and the broader public. It's not just about selling your message, it's about selling the messenger. How do you look on camera and when you present in a boardroom? These workshops will give you a solid understanding of the importance of developing memorable key messages and pitches, the art of presentation skills, what to do in the face of a crisis, speaking to the media on camera and in the spotlight, as well as equipping you with the tools necessary to communicate effectively to your investors and clients. If you're in front of the camera, if you're in front of an audience, or in front of a microphone, this course is going to help you come across as your best.